Hello and welcome to the Dedicated Power BI tutorials. In this video, we're going to talk about the difference between Power BI and Excel. All right, so Excel is an Office 365 product from Microsoft. It's basically a type of spreadsheet application that captures data in the form of rows and columns. Recent versions of Excel actually come with a wide variety of features and applications. Power BI is a business analytics tool also from Microsoft. So Power BI is basically a collection of software services, apps, and connectors that work together to turn your unrelated sources of data into interactive insights, coherent, and visually immersive dashboards. All right, let's discuss some of the significant differences between Power BI and Excel. Well, for one thing, Excel is actually more popular. It's installed on most computers and is therefore very accessible. Most of you have probably either used Excel or have Excel on your laptop or computer. Power BI is faster in processing compared to Microsoft Excel. Power BI can actually smoothly handle a large amount of data, while Microsoft Excel is limited to some extent of data. Power BI can connect with different varieties of sources, while Microsoft Excel can only connect to a limited sources. You can refresh your dashboards in Power BI, but not in Excel. Power BI dashboards are more interactive and custom, while Microsoft Excel dashboards are not very interactive. Power BI is mostly used for data visualizations and dashboard sharing, basically to a large number of users, while Microsoft Excel is mostly used for in-depth driver analysis. So when you're independently trying to understand some data, it's fine to just go ahead and use Excel. And additionally, Power BI users can create rules on specific reports and subscribe to those rules to receive an alert once those are met. Those are extremely helpful and useful, especially when you're monitoring KPIs in a dashboard, and you can set some alerts to let you or senior management know that an alert or some sort of KPI threshold has been met. Power BI users can also access full dashboards on the go without being tied down to a laptop using the Power BI mobile app for iOS, Android, or Windows, and Excel isn't exactly mobile friendly. All right, I hope you found this session on the differences between Excel and Power BI helpful and useful. If you did, please go ahead and like the video on YouTube and share this with your friends. Also, I do want to let you know that there is a course called Data to Dashboard. If you go to dedicatedacademy.com, you can go ahead and check that out. It basically lets you go from data to dashboard with Power BI.